Chapter 1. Cards and Readings Introduction. Tarot Guidebook. 78 Card Deck Guidebook. Introduction. Tarot is an ancient divination tool that has been used for centuries to gain insight into one's past, present, and future. Its origins are shrouded in mystery, but it is believed to have originated in the 15th century in Europe, and since then, it has become an essential tool for spiritual seekers and those seeking guidance in their lives. Tarot cards consist of 78 cards, divided into two categories: the Major Arcana and the Minor Arcana. The Major Arcana consists of 22 cards that represent archetypes or universal themes, such as the Fool, the Magician, and the World. The Minor Arcana consists of 56 cards, divided into four suits: Cups, Swords, Wands, and Pentacles. Each suit has 10 numbered cards and 4 court cards, representing different aspects of life, such as emotions, thoughts, actions, and material possessions. To use the tarot, one shuffles the deck while focusing on their question or intention, and then draws one or more cards, which are then interpreted based on their symbolism and position within the spread. The interpretation of the cards can provide insight, clarity, and guidance, as well as reveal patterns and potential outcomes. Although the tarot is often associated with fortune-telling and predicting the future, its true purpose is to provide a mirror of the present moment and offer guidance on how to navigate one's life path. It is a tool for self-reflection, personal growth, and spiritual development. In recent years, the popularity of tarot has grown significantly, with many people turning to the cards for insight and inspiration. Tarot has also become more accessible, with numerous books, online resources, and apps available to help beginners learn the basics of tarot reading. This guidebook is designed to be a comprehensive resource for those who wish to explore the world of tarot. It covers the history of tarot, the meanings and symbolism of each card, different spreads and techniques for reading the cards, as well as tips for using tarot as a tool for personal growth and self-discovery. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced tarot reader, this guidebook will provide you with the knowledge and tools you need to deepen your understanding of the tarot and unlock its transformative power. Preparing your deck. Preparing to use a new tarot card deck can be an exciting and meaningful experience. Here are some steps to take in order to ensure that your deck is properly cleared, cared for, and stored. Get to know your deck. Before using your new tarot card deck, take some time to look through the cards and familiarize yourself with their imagery, symbolism, and meanings. This can help you to connect with your deck and develop a deeper understanding of its energy. Clear your deck. It is important to clear your deck of any lingering energies before using it for the first time. There are several methods to do this, including smudging with sage or Palo Santo, placing the deck in sunlight or moonlight, or using crystals such as clear quartz or amethyst. Choose a method that resonates with you and your personal beliefs. Set an intention. Setting an intention for your deck can help to establish a positive and clear energy. You can do this by holding your deck in your hands and focusing on your intentions for using it, such as gaining clarity, guidance, or insight. Take care of your deck. Tarot cards are sensitive to energy, so it is important to handle them with care. Avoid eating, drinking, or smoking while using your deck to prevent any unwanted energy from entering the cards. Keep your deck in a safe and clean space when not in use, and handle it gently to avoid damaging the cards. Store your deck properly. Storing your deck in a safe and respectful manner can help to maintain its energy and protect it from damage. Consider using a special box or bag to keep your deck clean and protected, and store it in a place that is free from moisture, sunlight, and extreme temperatures. By taking these steps to prepare and care for your new tarot card deck, you can establish a strong connection with it and receive meaningful guidance and insight. Remember to always use your deck with intention, respect, and gratitude. Getting to know your deck. Getting to know your tarot deck is an essential step before starting to use it for readings. This process allows you to establish a connection with your cards, learn their meanings, and develop a personal interpretation style. Here are some steps you can follow to get to know your tarot deck. Study the images. Take time to examine each card in your deck carefully. Look at the colors, symbols, and figures depicted on each card. Try to understand what message or story the card is trying to convey. Read the guidebook. Most tarot decks come with a guidebook that explains the meaning of each card. Read through the guidebook and take notes on the meanings that resonate with you. Keep in mind that the guidebook is not the only way to interpret the cards. It's just a starting point. Draw a card a day. Pull one card each day from your deck and study it in depth. Ask yourself what message the card has for you and how it applies to your current situation. You can write down your observations in a tarot journal to help you remember the card's meaning. Practice readings. Start practicing. Readings for yourself or friends using your deck. You can start with simple 3-card spreads and work your way up to more complex ones. Don't worry too much about getting the right interpretation. Focus on developing your intuition and finding your unique style. Meditate with your deck. Sit quietly with your deck and focus on your breathing. Hold the deck in your hands and ask the cards to reveal their messages to you. Visualize yourself surrounded by a white light of protection and clarity. Open your mind and heart to receive any insights or guidance the cards have to offer. Cleanse and charge your deck. Regularly cleanse your deck to keep it energetically clear and charged. You can use any method that resonates with you, such as smudging, sound cleansing, or leaving your deck in the moonlight. Always handle your deck with respect and care, and store it in a safe and sacred place. Getting to know your tarot deck takes time and practice, but it's a rewarding process that can deepen your understanding of yourself and the world around you. Trust your intuition, be patient, and enjoy the journey. Setting your intentions. Setting an intention is an important step to take before starting a tarot reading. It helps to focus your energy, clarify your purpose, and create a sacred space for the reading. Here is a step-by-step guide on how to set your intention before starting a tarot reading. Find a quiet and peaceful place where you can focus your attention without any distractions. You may want to light a candle or some incense to create a peaceful ambiance. Take a few deep breaths to calm your mind and center yourself. You may want to close your eyes and visualize a white light surrounding you, protecting you and guiding you through the reading. Hold the tarot deck in your hands and take a moment to connect with the cards. Feel the weight of the deck in your hands, the texture of the cards, and the energy they hold. State your intention clearly and concisely. You may want to say something like, I set the intention to receive guidance and insight from the tarot cards that will be for my highest good and the highest good of all involved. Focus your mind on your intention and allow yourself to be open to the messages that the cards will bring. Trust that the cards will reveal what you need to know, even if it's not what you want to hear. Take another deep breath and release any tension or doubts you may have. Trust the process and allow yourself to be fully present in the moment. When you feel ready, begin shuffling the cards and focus on your intention. You may want to ask a specific question or simply ask for general guidance. Allow the cards to speak to you and trust your intuition to interpret their messages. Remember to always approach your tarot readings with respect, curiosity, and an open heart. Your intention will set the tone for the reading and help you to connect with the cards on a deeper level. Meditation to prepare. Here's a meditation that you can use to prepare for a tarot reading. Sit or lie down in a comfortable position and take a few deep breaths. Close your eyes and focus on your breath, allowing yourself to become more relaxed with each exhale. Visualize yourself surrounded by a bubble of protective light. Imagine this light enveloping you, shielding you from any negative energy or influences. Take a moment to set an intention for your reading. You might say something like, I am open to receiving guidance and clarity through this tarot reading. I trust that the messages I receive will be for my highest good. When you feel ready, hold your tarot deck in your hands and focus on the energy of the cards. Take a few moments to connect with the deck, feeling its weight and texture in your hands. Envision a bright light emanating from your heart center and filling your entire body. As you inhale, imagine that you're drawing this light up through your feet and into your body. As you exhale, imagine that you are releasing any tension or stress that you may be holding. When you feel grounded and centered, shuffle the cards while holding your intention in your mind. Visualize the cards being infused with positive energy and divine guidance. Finally, draw your first card and allow yourself to be open to the message it has for you. Trust that the cards will provide the guidance you need, and remember that you have the power to interpret their messages in a way that resonates with you. Take a few moments to reflect on your reading and any insights or messages that came through. When you feel ready, thank your deck for its guidance and close your meditation by visualizing yourself surrounded by the protective bubble of light once more. Common clearing technique. Clearing a new tarot deck is an important step before using it for readings. This process removes any residual energy from the manufacturing process or previous handling, ensuring that the deck is energetically clean and neutral for accurate readings. The most common way to clear a new tarot deck is to use a process called smudging. Smudging is the act of using smoke to purify a space or object. Here's how to clear your new tarot deck with smudging. Gather your supplies. You will need a bundle of dried herbs, such as sage or palo santo, and a fireproof dish or bowl to catch the ashes. Find a well-ventilated space. Smudging produces smoke, so you want to make sure you're in an area with good airflow. If possible, open a window or door. Light the bundle. Hold the bundle of herbs over the fireproof dish and light the end with a lighter or match. Let it burn for a few seconds until it catches fire. Then gently blow out the flame. You should be left with a smoldering ember. Begin smudging. Hold the deck of tarot cards in one hand and the smoldering herb bundle in the other. Start at one end of the deck and move the smudge stick around the cards, allowing the smoke to cover them. Be sure to smudge both the front and back of the cards, as well as the edges. Set your intention. As you smudge your tarot deck, set your intention to clear any negative or stagnant energy from the cards. Visualize the smoke cleansing and purifying the deck. Finish smudging. Once you've smudged the entire deck, gently tap any ashes into the fireproof dish and let the bundle burn out on its own. You can also smudge the area around your tarot deck and yourself to further clear any energy. Store your deck. Once your deck is cleared, store it in a protective bag or box to keep it safe and prevent any new energy from attaching to it. Remember, clearing your tarot deck is a personal preference, and you can use other methods to clear your deck if you prefer. Some people prefer to use sound, such as ringing a bell or playing music, or leaving the deck in moonlight or sunlight to clear. Whatever method you choose, the important thing is to set your intention and treat your tarot deck with care and respect.